Hello guys, I got my hands on the new Doogee R20 rugged tablet, and I can tell you this tablet left me really impressed. It comes with an excellent all-terrain design with an impressive 10.4-inch 2.4K screen with the wide-line L1 support. Under the hood there is a phenomenal MediaTek Helio G99 chipset, up to 20GB of RAM, 21,600 mAh long-lasting battery and a maximum resistance to water, dust and falls. Be sure to check out this Doogee R20 rugged tablet video review. Doogee, a well-known manufacturer of robust devices, has crafted a tablet that can withstand the toughest on-field conditions. Combining durability, performance and versatility, this tablet caters the needs of professionals, outdoor enthusiasts and everyday users alike. So let's start unboxing and see what we have in the box. This is our tablet, and for now it's going a little to the side until we check the contents of the box. So there is we have this paperwork including the Doogee R20 user manual written in detail in many languages, warranty card, SIM pin, USB Type-C cable for charging and the data transfer, and there is also a 33-watt super fast charger, a screwdriver with the holders, extra screws which we'll use to screw this leather elastic holder onto our tablet. Now let's screw it on the back of the tablet. We can put our hand through it and it serves as an excellent holder, especially somewhere at the work or in the field there is a desirable to hold this tablet in one hand for practicality. This holder is a very useful accessory and it will be definitely used by many of you who decide to buy this excellent tablet. Okay, that was the contents of this box. That's all you get with this tablet. Now let's take a closer look at our Doogee R20. IP68, IP69K certified, meaning it's waterproof, dustproof and can withstand high and low temperature extreme conditions. It's military STD 810H certification for drop resistance. It's a testament to its durability, and as if that self is not enough, as you can see, Doogee generously added the TPU protective case to its tablet, which is really commendable. Let's take it off. From the first moment I held the R20, I could feel the sturdiness. Our test sample comes in this grey look variant, and the tablet also comes in two more cheerful color variants with the orange and green colors. The tablet is completely made of high quality TPU material resistant to all external influences. The robustness and durability of this tablet scream for every detail and seem to challenge us to test this tablet in harsh as possible. So let's see what we have on the sides of this tablet. We find this power button here, and next to it we find these two wall buttons. On the safe side below there is a fingerprint recognition offering you unparalleled security and convenience. On this side, under the rubber cover that guarantees 100% waterproofness, we find USB Type-C charging port and a SIM tray with as many of two slots, two for SIM card or the option of one SIM and 4 memory cards of up to 2TB. Here is also two speakers holes here. We also have the same speakers on the other side, so we have 4 speakers in total. You can expect excellent and very loud stereo surround sound on this tablet, which is what Doogee is known for. But that's not all. Under the rubber seal we find that we all like to see, which is a 3.5mm headphone jack. The display of a Doogee R20 is one of the best that you can get in this range of tablets, with the 10.4-inch 2.4K display, IPS FHD Plus resolution of 1440 by 2560 pixels, with a display of up to 60.7 million colors. It has a 79.2% screen to body ratio and a 5:3 aspect ratio. The R20 comes with the Google Wideline L1 support, which means you will be able to stream in full HD at places like Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hulu and more, which makes it even more interesting choice for media consumption coupled with the mobile data support. so you can enjoy any content on this tablet, which will provide you with a truly immersive visual experience. Excellent Samsung's 60 megapixel front camera will help you stay in touch with your loved ones in the highest resolution, which will perfectly handle all your video calls and the selfies. The initial attention grabber for me was this display striking colors, which appeal more vibrant than one might anticipate from this tablet. This effectively across for the impressive contrast ratio and the lively color rendering of the screen, resulting in excellent content reproduction. The touchscreen technology quickly registers every touch, swipe and gesture with remarkable precision, promptly translating your intentions into actions. Of course, there is a ultimate screen protection provided by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Not only boasts screen durability but also provides a peace of mind, allowing you to use your tablet confidently without fearing minor scratches and cracks. The adequate brightness ensures that the screen remains visible and clear even in the challenging lighting conditions. Whether you are captivated by your favorite series, indulging in YouTube videos, or deep engaged in the mobile gaming, the Doogee R20 display elevates your content consumption experience. The blend of size, resolution, and color accuracy makes it a flexible and enjoyable screen for various activities, whether you are working in the field or relaxing at home. Now let's take a look at the back of the tablet now and see what we find here. It is only one 50 megapixel main camera lens, and next to it is a round LED light. This camera is equipped with the Samsung lenses, takes decent photos as well as videos of up to 2K resolution and 30 fps. Now to get a feel for the camera performance, it's best to check out our sample photos and videos we took using our Doogee R20 tablet, so let's take a look. Running the softer side, the Doogee R20 is based on the latest pure Android 13, so we are covered with all the latest Google features and possibilities. In addition, it supports NFC, Bluetooth 5.2, dual 4G LTE, and accurate navigation system, GPS, Galileo, GLONASS, and RGPS. Now delving into the memory configuration, the Doogee R20 sets a new standard with excellent 8GB base RAM and gets even more better by utilizing the extended 12GB of RAM feature, so it can reach up to 20GB of RAM in total, which further accelerates and makes work on this tablet even more fluid. In terms of storage, the Doogee offers 256GB of rapid uMCP storage, expandable of up to massive 2TB for those who are seeking additional storage capacity. The Doogee R20 is driven by the MediaTek Helio G99 chipset, clock up to 2.2 GHz frequency, and constructed using the state-of-the-art 6nm technology. This chipset is acclaimed for its advanced, energy efficient, and currently holds the title as the best and fast 4G chipset on the market, featuring an octa-core architecture with the ARM Mali G57 graphics. It expertly harmonizes power efficient with the raw performance, offering an exceptional user experience. For dedicated gamers, this tablet is a true delight. It seamlessly handles the most demanding games found on the Google Play Store, providing a really good performance even on the highest graphical settings. With its robust hardware and cutting-edge several-dimensional graphic film cooling system, the Doogee R20 skillfully regulates its temperature, averting and overheating issues during intense gaming seasons. Furthermore, the tablet's huge 21,600 mAh battery guarantees extended hours and hours of uninterrupted gaming. If you are a gaming enthusiast who enjoy playing the latest gaming titles, this tablet should definitely be on your shortlist for purchase. Of course, all this with the support of 33W fast charging and reverse wire charging with OTG function. With the massive 21,600 mAh battery, the Doogee R20 provides power for a week without interruption. In practice, the battery will allow 125 hours of calling time, 27 hours of watching movies, and even 1781 hours of standby time. Equipped with the latest Android 13 operating system, its improved performance and user interface. Say goodbye to lag and say hello to seamless multitasking. It is a really good tablet that has the potential to beat its competitions in this price range. Let's not forget how Doogee R20 ensures the highest standards of durability: IP68, IP69K ratings, waterproofness, and dust protected, mil-STD 810H military standard for drop resistance and resistance to extreme temperatures. Doogee R20 behaves like a shield under harsh conditions such as extreme weather and rough handling works. Integrated injection molding provides its shell extra strength and the sturdy features, better waterproof and dust-resistant performance. The raised frame's design offers more reliable protection. To summarize at the end, the Doogee R20 represents the ultimate rugged tablet, a combination of durability, performance, and versatility. This tablet is designed for challenging off-road conditions with the resistant certifications, providing incredible resistance and safety. With the 10.4-inch to 2.4K screen and a massive 21,600 mAh battery, the Doogee R20 guarantees a great visual experience and a long-lasting use. It's provided by MediaTek Helio G99 processor for smooth performance, and with up to 20GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, it provides enough resources for all user needs. It's equipped with quality Samsung cameras, quad stereo speakers, and runs on the Android 13, making it excellent choice for business professionals and outdoor enthusiasts. So the official sales links are below this video. Be sure to visit them. Hurry up and get your new Doogee R20 today at the promotional price, because now is the chance to get yourself this incredible tablet. That will be all from me for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for your attention, and see you soon in the next video review. Bye.